Julie Planner from the lifestyle website julieplanner.com, where I share easy ideas that celebrate everyday life, including DIYs, home decor, recipes, and so much more. Today I'm sharing how we updated our bathroom by painting the tile grout. Actually, I use the word we loosely. By we, I mean Chris. He is always so great to follow along my crazy ideas, and this one worked. And wow, did it make such an incredible impact in less than an hour. It's so easy. You clean, you paint, you clean again, and you're done. Painting your grout is one of the quickest ways that you can really update dated tile without spending a lot of time and money. In fact, it's less than $15 overall to complete this project. All you need is white vinegar, water, a scrub brush, a paintbrush, and the star of the show, Polyblend Grout Renew. It's amazing. It doesn't just clean your tile or cover it up. It actually paints it and makes it look brand new without actually having to change the color of your grout by removing it and replacing it, or of course, replacing your tile altogether. It's a quick way to really refresh and allow that eye to continue across the room without being broken up by dirty old tile grout or a tile grout color that you just don't love. First, you need to thoroughly clean your grout. Now, I know that there are products out there like Grout Haze Remover that also work incredibly well, but I promise you, vinegar does the trick, and it's just about $1 for a massive jug. So I highly recommend you give it a shot. It's natural, it's effective, and quick and easy to do. So if you use vinegar, you just need 1 part to 1 part. So if you use a cup of water, you're going to need a cup of vinegar, and you're going to apply it directly to the grout and use a scrub brush and scrub it in thoroughly. You can wipe it away if you'd like or rinse it off if you'd like, but we've had really amazing results just allowing it to dry from there after starting with a clean floor. Once it is completely dry, then you can use your Grout Renew on a paintbrush. You could use a toothbrush as well, but we found that that really splattered it everywhere, and that a paintbrush really got into the crevices well and was really easy to work with, and we were able to knock this entire bathroom out in less than an hour. So go ahead and brush both directions with your brush, work your way out of the room, allow it to dry, and then apply a second coat. Such a great rewarding project, and for less than $15. You can transform any tile bathroom, entryway, kitchen, or more. Can't wait to put this into effect at our Lake Cottage kitchen. I hope you loved this video. If so, please don't forget to click subscribe, leave a comment below. I love hearing from you, and can't wait to see you again soon. Let me know, what would you like to see or learn more about? It just might be my next video. Thanks for following along.